for listing of that 2 p.m. eviction matters. Tomorrow is the last day for our evacuation from the area. We have done it everything possible 2 p.m.
When the notice was served?
It was served on 20th. We received it on 20th, though it is signed on 16th.
Okay.
Mark. Obliged.
May it please your lordship. Item number 18, my lord.
Yes.
With regard to some payments, some discussions are going on with the bank. So could it be taken up after 10th, any date, 10th of August? He's continuing to do that.
Mr. L. Manik Lanet, Senior Counsel for the petition, has submitted that a discussion is going on between the petitioner and the respondent bank, and therefore for a settlement, and therefore the matter will be lifted after 2 weeks. First, Mr. M. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the Respondent Settlement of India, who is present, has agreed to the above submission. As sought for, agreed to by the Learned Counsel for the parties, leave the case on silence.
14th August. I'm grateful.
14th.
Obliged.
May I please your lordship, with the consent of the respondents, I beg to mention item number 13. Lordship, this matter is led by my senior Sri Kiran Chaudhary. He is out of station, lordship. Lordship, may I pray to take up this matter next week, lordship?
Next week, we don't know. Ms. R. Kakoti,
Gauhati.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has sought an adjournment of the case for 2 weeks on the ground that Mr. K. Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel, who is leading in this case, is out of station due to personal reason. First of, it is submitted that consent has been taken from the Learned Counsel for the respondents to make their prayer. Any mention memo also?
Yes.
And a mention memo to that effect has also been circulated instead. First of, leave the case on silence. The request is accepted. Leave the case on silence.
Lordship, lordship, in similar pair in item number 1 also, lordship.
Item number
12.
12.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
In this, we are for respondent number 7 to 11. We would like to seek an adjournment because the engaged counsel is out of station.
Yes, petitioner.
Petitioner, Your Honor, we couldn't connect to them, but we have, but a leave note have been given. Leave note have been given.
Who is?
P. They.
Inform them, then make a mention.
May it please, my lord, I'm mentioning for listing of a land matter, my lord, for admission, my lord.
Leave it to the court master.
14.
My lord, in item number 14, I have to file a implement petition, my lord. My lord, 1 week time will be granted.
On the request of Mr. K. Corridor, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. You have informed K. Gogoi.
I have not informed, my lord. I will inform.
It is better to inform.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, there will be unpleasant situation.
Yes, ma'am.
K. Corridor, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Please the case after a week on a date will be expelled office.
I'm so
Please, your lordship. Lordship, with the consent from other side, I'd like to mention item number 16, lordship. Lordship, in this matter, the conducting counsel has informed me that he is out of station, so matter may be adjourned for the day, lordship.
Okay, you are Mr.
You Ghosh, lordship.
On the request of Mr. U. Ghosh, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, the case is passed over for the day. It is submitted that consent has been taken from the Learned Counsel for the respondents to make the payment.
Obliged, lordship.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of 2 writ petition, lordship, pertaining to GST matter, lordship. On
Admission.
Monday, lordship.
Admission.
For motion, lordship, fresh matter.
Motion.
Yes, lordship.
Okay.
Monday,
Please, lordship.
deeply obliged.
Yesterday matter was heard by your lordship, pertaining to limitation in GST appeals matter, lordship. 2 similar matters I would like to mention for 25th of August, lordship. That matter has been fixed on 25th of August. 2
Which
similar
matter?
matters. Lordship, yesterday was one matter,
Limitation.
limitation in
May I
Okay.
please, Your Lordship?
Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, if it is not inconvenience to your Lordship, may I pray for a motion matter tomorrow, Lordship?
What is the subject?
Lordship, what happened? Bahata Sahali Police Lordship preventing the petitioner from plowing and cultivating his Medibottal and Lordship, and furthermore detained 3 occasion Lordships for 12 hours.
Monday, tomorrow will be difficult.
Lordship.
For listing of a matter, my lord, on for admission.
Admission. Give it to the.
Obliged. Supplementary list for withdrawal, item 17.
I have instruction to withdraw this.
Mr. A. Borua, learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that he has received instruction for the petition not to face this petition. Your name, please?
Appearing on behalf of P. Bordello, Lordship.
Okay.
Respondent number 7 and 8, Lordship.
Uh, 3. And Miss,
B.S. Ojha, appearing on behalf of P. Bordello.
correspondent number 7 and 8 are present. In view of the above submission made by Mr. Borua, learned counsel for the petitioner, the petition is dismissed as not placed.
Obliged, Lordship.
For motion, item 19.
I think, my lord, we should not trouble, my lord. Already they have extended. 2 bank, out of 8 bank guarantees, 2 bank guarantees have been extended, which was going to expire on 1st. So we are safe. Next, all those 5 again or 13 is going to expire. So it can be main matter fixed on 5th. So this matter can be fixed on 5th, my lord. It has been extended,
Which one? Main matter?
2563 of 26.
which no coercive measure has been given, my lord. 2563. Except for. I have given, I'll give a copy to the court. This one.
And M. Sharma,
And my
246.
to extend.
Mr. Khera,
My lord,
5th of August.
5th August, my lord. Since 2 guarantees are extended, we also.
Paki naam likhe hue and Khera, A. Parvez. Mr. Das has submitted that the respondent number 2 bank
Yes,
Yes.
true.
has come in the meantime extended the period of bank guarantee. The period of 2 bank guarantees beyond 1/8/2026 for another 3 months.
3 months. Yeah.
And he has submitted that another writ petition filed by the petitioner is ordered to be listed on 5/8/2026. And therefore, this writ petition be also listed on 5/8/2026. As the said request of the senior counsel for the petition is not opposed by the counsel for the respondents, appearing for the respondents, leave the case on 5/8/2026 in the motion below.
If it is not inconvenient to your lordship, can it be along with, because that case is fixed?
2563.
This is motion again.
Yes, this will be motion.
We'll take up. 5/8 it is already ordered.
5. Deeply up.
20. Item 20.
May I please, Lord? I was member, my lord, of Matrisar Gram Panchayat, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, I was chosen as president of the, my lord, Matrisar Gram Panchayat, my lord. What when in this case, my lord, thereafter, my lord, without any, my lord, hearing, an order was passed, my lord, at page 18, my lord. My lord, the type copy is at page 16, my lord.
গরম লেগে গেছে দত্ত দত্ত গরম লেগে গেছে Page 16. Yes, Mr. Goswami.
I was not called for hearing, my lord. I have not called, not.
No hearing if the report is not submitted.
That's it.
Check. Mr. Goswami. Check. Thousand. From what? Of 73. Chart down. See. Let's see. 7,000. Ask for the phone number. 2. Go back. Oh, no. Motichar Gaon Panchayat with immediate effect. First up, order dated 23/7/2023 as further observed that the seat is to be treated as vacant henceforth. First up, para. The ground on which the petitioner has been adjudged disqualified is made relatable to Section 111 within bracket 2 of the Assam Panchayat Act and Rule 62 within bracket 1 within bracket small f of the Assam Panchayat within bracket Constitution bracket close rules, 1995 as amended. Assam Panchayat will full stop. As part of order dated 23/7/2028 on a from the order dated so it appears that a complaint petition was received from one Atiur Rahman alleging that the petitioner has more than 2 children from multiple partners. Matter was examined to an inquiry officer from the assistant commissioner, that is assistant commissioner to Dhubri. And as per the report submitted by the said inquiry officer, the petitioner has more than 2 living children from multiple partners, and his third child was born on 4/6/2025 from the second wife. Postdoc. It has been concluded that the same amounts to violation of the provisions of Section 111 within bracket 2 within bracket A of the Assam Panchayat Act, 1994. Postdoc. It is submitted on behalf of the petitioner that the report submitted by the inquiry officer was never furnished the petitioner at any point of time. Post of the petitioner was also not afforded any prior opportunity of hearing before passing of the order dated 23/7/2026. The matter would require further consideration, issue notice, returnable on so and so. As Mr. Goswami has appeared and accepted notice on behalf of the respondent number 2, no formal notice is required to be issued to the said respondent. Post of the petition shall, however, furnish a copy of an extra copy of the petition along with an excerpt to Mr. Goswami within 2 working days from today. We give a P Thapa on behalf of, where is Mr. Doctor?
Difficulty.
Huh?
Difficulty of checking.
On behalf of S. Doctor, Training Council, Panchayat and Rural Development Department for the response of 1 inch. But again, is to handle political. As it is asserted on behalf of the petition that neither the report submitted by the inquiry officer was furnished to the petition, nor any opportunity of hearing was afforded to him prior to passing of the impine order dated 23/6/2026. 23/7/2026. It appears primarily that the order is passed, impine order is passed in violation of principles of natural justice.
Complainant is not a party here, Lord.
Huh?
Complainant is not a party here.
I would like to Mr. Goswami, Learned Council for Ms. Papa and Mr. Goswami have submitted that the order dated 23/7/2026 has been passed on the basis of an inquiry initiated after receipt of a complaint from one Atiu Rahman, and therefore Atiu Rahman is a necessary party for proper and effective adjudication of the issue raised in this writ petition. Where in response, you file an impleading petition.
My lord.
Otherwise, it will be dismissed for non-jointer.
My lord.
Mr.
Monday,
Rahman, and in response, Mr. Rahman has submitted that the petitioner will be filing an application for implement of Atiu Rahman within 2 weeks' time. The Mazate Dilbara should issue notice. It is ordered in the intent that the order dated so and so shall remain in abeyance till the return of that.
Obliged.
7 September 0709. Item number 21.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, the matter relates to, my lord, eviction, my lord, pertaining to a land. My lord, we are, my lord, claiming that the land was a, my lord, Exona Patta land. And my lord, an NR case for the said plot of land had also been instituted.
What is NR case?
My lord, that is the as per my search, my lord, it is a non-renewal case, my lord. That if a land is required to be converted from, my lord, annual Patta to, my lord, government khas land, my lord, then the government has the power to not renew. Now, my lord, for that.
What are the dark numbers involved here?
My lord, the dark numbers involved, my lord, may be pleased to find page number 70, my lord.
Page number
70, annexure to
Where is the
political.
impugn order?
My lord, the impugn order is at page number 179, my lord. One 702, my lord.
170.
My lord, that number.
Hmm?
But my lord, this case, the petitioner.
But there are so many petitioners.
So many petitioners, my lord,
Ah.
and they belong to, my lord, Dag number 1702, my lord, wherein they are now
Tag number
1702, my lord. My lord, several, my lord, Dag numbers are there, but we are particularly in this petition, my lord, all the petitioners belongs to 1702, my lord.
What is the area of this tag number?
My lord, that area has not been, my lord, demarcated.
No, it is in the revenue record.
Revenue record, my lord.
Ah.
The area land, it is said, my lord, in this Kheraz Exona Jamabandi is, my lord. But, my lord, may kindly turn to page 70, my lord. The land area in hectare is also there, my lord. Plus, my lord, original father's name was Sri Lakshman Chandra Das, guardian son of so and so, my lord.
Where is the main one? This is page.
Page
70?
number, page number 70, my lord.
70.
My lord, annexure 2.
This is 3 bigha 4 katha.
My lord, in 3 bigha 4 katha, 11 lesser lands belong in the said area, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, we were residing there in Milot by purchasing lands from Lord the seller, and which Milot we have also annexed some of those documents, Milot. Please. Page number, Milot. 50. Annexure 1 for you, Milot.
Page?
Page number 50, annexure 1.
This man Lakshman Chandra Das.
No, my lord, we have not admittedly purchased from this Lakshman Chandra Das. Lakshman Chandra Das has executed to somebody, my lord, else by way of possession, my lord. After that, my lord, this.
What is the procedure for handing over possession of annual patta land?
Lord, the procedure is not, my lord, earmarked or, my lord,
In the
my lord. In the
land and revenue regulation?
My lord, in the regulation also we have searched, my lord, that there is once a, my lord, patta is issued to a particular, my lord,
No,
person.
what kind of right the annual patta holder has
My lord.
under the land and revenue regulation?
My lord, as per my search, my lord, it is given for a, my lord, annually with a particular conditions, my lord, that if he violates the particular condition, then, my lord, admittedly, that, my lord, annual patta may not be extended or renewed, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Borpuzari, which provision regulates
That is
annual
to-
patta
That is to be found in the rules, my lord,
settlement rules?
settlement rules, which also defines, my lord, annual lease.
Right, right.
Otherwise, my lord, the substantial provisions are to be.
Annual lease.
Yes. It is only for a 1 year term, my lord, annual. then it doesn't carry, my lord, any heritable or permanent rights.
It confers no right of transfer.
No right of transfer.
My lord, my lord.
Hmm.
That, my lord,
So how it is feasible to that Lakshman Chandra Das?
no, my lord, the Lakshman Chandra Das was admittedly the annual patta holder, my lord, and
He has no right of transfer.
my lord, my
So
lord.
automatically Himanshu Talukdar does not have any right to transfer.
On that line, my lord, I have gone through the rules and acts, my lord, and it says, my lord, I have to agree with my respected senior friend's submission, my lord, that regarding this transfer of rights, that is not admitted, my lord. It is not provided in the rule also. But, my lord, as we have been, my lord, residing therein, my lord, admittedly, if we presume, my lord, that this is a government khas land, my lord, that
Because Exonia Patta is not issued in your name.
no, my lord, it is, I cannot, my lord, make that
None of the petitioners name.
no, my lord. None of the petitioners' name Axona Patta was ever granted, my lord. But by making, my lord, the purchase of the land, my lord, with some
But that is
consideration.
illegal.
No, my lord, that is
You are saying possessory rights.
that is
Because no transfer
transfer is
by way of sale.
correct, my lord.
Right.
My
Now
lord.
here the issue is possess because annual lease land cannot be transferred by way of sale.
That is admitted, my lord. That is admitted.
Right. Once it gets converted into periodic patta,
Then only,
then only the right to sale. Now people are doing possessory rights.
my lord. Like the other, my lord, annual khas land, my lord.
What
Other khas land.
khas land means khas land.
No, my lord.
No annual.
No, my lord, my
It
annual.
remains forever as khas land.
No, my lord, annual I have mistakenly pronounced, my lord. Like the other khas land, this land also, my lord, if we treat this as a khas land, my lord, then also, my
No,
lord, the
it cannot be
government.
treated as khas land. Every definition carries some meaning.
Meaning.
It cannot be equated with.
Now, my lord, whether this land, my lord, this is a annual patta land had been.
Right.
My
Now, what is the case? NR case.
my lord, that NR case.
NR case is
basing
between
on
whom? Between whom?
My lord, that reference,
Because
my lord.
renewal of
Yes,
annual patta, because proviso to the definition says government may renew or may not renew.
My lord. But my lord,
If it
whether
is non-renewal case, what is the NR case? What is the detail of
my lord,
NR
that,
case?
my lord, may be pleased to find that an NR case document, my lord, is at page 96, my lord.
96.
My lord. This 96 document. 96 and 97 is also, my lord, regarding correction of land record of NR case number so and so.
Or from you are saying that this diagram number 1702 is involved in NR
Yes,
case?
my lord, this we are saying, my lord, the application which we have made. It was, my lord, now kindly turn to page number, my lord, 88, my lord. Lord, this is an application we have made, some of the petitioners, my lord, before the
Position.
before the deputy commissioner.
Resigned.
My lord.
Name was somewhat, then to- so, but,
Basing on
me-
this application, my lord,
now
this
it is come to the- it has already been, Himanshu,
my lord, he is
if
the
he is nobody,
no, my lord, he is not.
where is his name in the Axonia
No, my lord,
Patta?
Axona Pattas, it is not in his name, my lord. But my lord, what was, we have purchased from him.
No, if you have purchased the
My
land
lord.
from nobody,
No, my lord, we have purchased from Himanshu
all
Taluk.
right,
My lord.
but he is a nobody with regard to say the land, annual lease land.
My lord, on
Therefore, your
record,
right flows.
on record, he is not available.
Huh?
On record, he is not
So
available.
there is nothing regarding, you have said Himanshu Talda, you have
My lord.
executed and you have,
Paragraph 5.
you have annexed the annual Axonia Patta,
My lord.
which is in the name of Lakshman Chandra Das.
My lord.
If he is not connected with Lakshman Chandra Das,
My lord.
how can you derive your possessory right?
My lord, what in
Then anybody can execute a possessory right deed
my lord,
for this is the land. Okay, let me
this is
hand it over.
my lord, this is
It
happening
cannot
in,
be this is happening.
This is
it
happening.
cannot be done so.
my lord, when we come before the court of law, my lord, we have to establish our right.
Right. That
But
is
my
what-
lord,
because we cannot,
my lord, we cannot.
we have limitations.
My lord, we also cannot project a false case before my lordship.
No, we have
My
to,
lord.
we have our limitations also.
My lord, my lord. Now, my lord, basing on this application, my lord,
Just
if my lord,
just a minute.
my lord,
Now say 102.
1702, my lord,
No, 102 page.
page number, my lord. Yes,
If this is one of the petitioner,
yes, my lord, he is also
Ah.
one of the petitioners.
here he says,
My lord,
you have been found to be unauthorized possession of a plot of land under docket number 1702, which
My
is a government khas land.
my lord, government is saying, my lord.
It is.
It is their notice, my lord. In notice, they have treated
And
this
whereas
as
as per order, an unauthorized occupant is required to vacate the land in 15 days from the date of publication, which is 18-3. They say it's about 18-3,
my lord,
right? So their case is it is government khas land.
past land.
It does not come within the purview of Rule 18.2. It comes within the purview of Section Rule 18.3,
My lord,
right? That particular tag number.
my lord.
So thereafter, this notice.
This notice,
These notices are served and all are similarly worded.
my lord,
In page 108, he committed a mistake, he corrected the tag number. Second one is also same. Third one is also same. But 105, he corrected himself.
my no, my lord.
1702, tag number.
No, my lord, these are being served in this manner. No,
Huh.
petition
So
is
he
not
corrected
my lord.
the tag number by handwriting.
Issuing authority
But
corrected.
105, he corrected himself. Printing is okay.
105 is number, my
105.
lord.
Then you came.
My lord.
After this notice, you came.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Then
The operative-
this petition 106,
My lord, this petition was disposed of.
page
my lord.
106. That is a writ petition
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
filed by these petitioners
Yes, my lord.
after receiving those notices.
Those notices.
Okay. Let us see the operative part.
My lord. Starts at page 116, my lord.
Six. Shall be treated as so-called notice issued to the petitioner. The petitioner having received these notices are given liberty to submit their respective representations within 20 days from today. Court further directs such representation be submitted to a district commissioner shall decide such representations by affording opportunity of personal hearing. Shall decide the litigant taking note of the provisions of Assam so and so settlement rules and land policy without being influenced by the content of so and so of the said notice. Content of paragraph 1 and 2.
My lord.
Let us see again. Content of 1 and 2.
We had been,
What is 118?
some of the petitioners are the petitioner in this, 818,
Hmm?
Some of the same order, some of the petitioners,
Same order,
same order.
same date.
Same date. No, date is different,
13
This is
to
13 to, earlier one is,
17 to.
17 to,
So these petitioners, the petitioners hearing
Some,
are part of the say to petition.
1702.
So directions were same.
My lord, directions were same, my lord can verify it, from page number 128,
It starts from 127.
Okay.
My lord.
Then you submitted
Yes, my lord,
representations.
page 130,
Let us see your submission.
my lord.
Page 130.
120,
Yes, but here is a
131,
plot of land, revenue village,
my lord.
and the unregistered sale deed. Himanshu Talud. After purchasing the seed land, he has been residing there on a constructing 80 house. So and so. So and so. So you know that he has been converted to government khas land.
No, my lord, it is in the notice we came to know, my lord. And secondly, my
No,
lord.
no, you made an inquiry. Page
Oh,
131.
Yes, my lord, we have said.
You have mentioned specifically that the district
My lord, we
commissioner
have
Kamli
said.
Metro
My lord.
passed an order on 22/01/2015 in NR case number so and so to
My
convert the said land from Kheraz Exonia Patta
My lord.
to khas government land and issued a letter
My lord.
dated 3/3/2015 to the circle officer,
My lord.
whereby the letter dated so and so the circle officer has corrected the land records.
No, my
So
lord.
the
it
said
was-
land of the petitioner is government land from Kheraz Exonia Patta.
No, my lord, the wordings are, my lord, what has happened, my lord.
No, otherwise English is understandable. Now, if you say this is wrong,
My lord,
but
actually.
English is understandable.
My lord, actually, no, my lord, I cannot dispute what is written here, my lord. But
My
lord.
yes, Mr. Barbuzari, if it is khas, then
No, I will draw my lord's attention to few pages
no,
of
no,
case.
it is just you'll draw attention. I'm going through the sequence.
My lord.
I'm just going through the sequence so that
My lord.
so all representation basically this is the stand.
This is, my lord, my lord, we
Then
have said.
suddenly Your Honor issued notice.
My lord.
So this status of khas land
My lord.
passed in 2015 has attained finality. Nobody has challenged.
No, my lord, no order has been,
Because.
no order has been issued. my lord.
Because that NR case would be dependent upon the actionia patta holder.
Exactly, my lord. Exactly. But my lord,
None
there-
else.
My lord, there should
That
be.
is, Himanshu was not there in the picture.
My lord,
And Lakshman Das was there or not, we don't know.
my lord.
Since you know this is the order, what is the order?
No, my lord.
2201-2015.
No, my lord, the order has not been made available in any public forum, my lord. And even in the speaking order which they have passed, as regards this anarchies, in the speaking order, it is complete
Because
silence.
that argument
My lord,
regarding Exonia land
my lord.
may not hold if it has been converted to government
In-
caste land.
Into government.
That is
caste
what
land. Government. caste.
Right.
My lord,
If it is Exonia thing,
my lord.
then Rule 18 would not come. But if it is not,
Not then, my lord,
government caste land Rule 18(3) will come.
come, my lord, come.
Because if it was earlier annual patta land or Exonia patta land,
My lord.
so maybe it was not reserved for any public purpose. So it cannot be converted
My
into immediately to
caste land.
18(2) land. It has been converted to 18(3). Thereafter, it can be converted to again 18(3) by they have the discussion. That you will reserve it for road, we will reserve it for so and so 18(2). But here, position is 18(3) from 2015, if it is correct.
My lord,
Then 18(3) will come.
my lord.
If it has been converted to
Caste land.
caste land in
My
15,
lord, may I submit?
18(3) will come.
My lord, may I submit a small point here, my lord?
Ah.
My lord, although we have written in the representation, my lord, regarding this conversion, but my lord, as per our instruction which we have received after the hearing, my lord, that, my lord, till date, there is no any order, has final order or a reason order is made available, my lord, that converting the said plot of land from annual patta to the caste land, my lord.
That is a case vis-a-vis government versus the Exonia patta holder.
That is correct, my lord. But even if, my lord, as the process has been initiated and our case has been initiated on our application, my lord, they have taken up.
মাননীয় so and so শুনানি গ্রহণ Now let us come to the. And what is this? Again, you have come.
Yes, yes. Page
Page
173.
173. What is
Page
this?
173, my lord, we made a representation, my lord, regarding, my lord, we prayed before this honorable court that, my lord, we should be allotted the land as per the land policy in the said area, or, my lord, in the subsequent accommodation should be given as per the land policy 2019. My lord, being landless or the shelterless, if we evicted from this area. my lord, my lord. After this said petition, when we file, my lord, notices has been issued, then this impugned speaking order, my lord, dated.
Let us see if you are speaking.
My lord, dated 16/7/26. That starts page 179.
Now you are from number 1702.
1702, my lord. In the third paragraph, my lord may be pleased to
The
find.
circle officer, to the circle officer. Okay, names are there.
My lord.
How it is wrong?
My lord. No, my lord, if we go by the impugned speaking order, my lord, as regards in our representation, we have specifically averred regarding that NR case and our applications, my lord. There is no mention in this, my lord, order regarding that, my lord, application regarding that NR case. And secondly, my lord, the speaking order is all in the nature of, my lord, in the same wordings, my lord. There is no change.
No, firstly, you have to also substantiate, because that one of the document
My lord.
is basically the whole case is annual Khiras Patta.
My lord, my lord.
All this will not do. Aadhaar card, voter card.
No, my lord, Aadhaar card, voter card is a, my lord, just we are showing that the residence of the particular area, my lord, but the connection to the land, my lord, is a cell which I have brought into my lordship's kind notice, my lord.
Annual
That was
Khiras
the
Patta.
document. Now, my lord,
Annual Khiras Patta.
my lord,
So they say thereafter it is government khas land.
my lord.
How do you dispute it? This has to be
Lord,
not by statement, it has to be disputed on the basis of records.
No, my lord, it is a case of records, my lord, but till date, my lord, we have not come across any of the, my lord, order converting the land from annual patta to khas land, my lord.
So
Although,
government is not saying the correct fact. Then
my lord, my learned friend can bring that
Yes.
report, my lord.
Lordship, may be pleased to come to page 50 of the writ petition. This is the genesis.
keep 50.
This is the land sale deed. Lordship will kindly see page 50, my lord. This is annexure 1. Colleague. Page 50. Now the purchaser is Hannan Ali. Seller is Himanshu Talukdar. Down below, Lordship will kindly see the schedule. This is of utmost significance. Land measuring 5 lesa under DAG number 1702 in Paschim Borangao Revenue Village so and so Kamo. It is not a annual patta land. Their eyes wide open. They knew that this is a government, because if it is annual patta land, inevitably there has to be annual patta number. Let us see the vernacular. It starts at page 52 and Lordship will precisely come to page 53. Page 53. Topsil. Kamrup Jilar Gauhati Sub-Registry Officer Elekadin Jalukbari Mojar Paschim Boragaon 1702 number Dagor 5 lesa Jombi Kotha so and so. So no annual patta. So the story of conversion or non-conversion of annual patta or existence of annual patta at any point of time is a creation of the petitioners. Same thing is also to be found at page 54.
That is 1699. Drag number.
Yes.
Is not concerned with these petitions.
1702 at
Page 54.
page 50.
50 it is 1702. Page 54. Next.
Page 54, they have purchased. They say, my lord, they are now, my lord,
Is a big chain.
Yes.
Circumstantial evidence. All the chain.
So my
Criminal
jurisprudence. The point I want to bring home is that, my lord, they knew that these are all government khas lands, and with their eyes wide open, they have, my lord, purchased. The purchase itself is illegal. Now, in all the sale deeds, lordship will find it. Page 62 also, if lordship comes to page 62.
This is type copy.
Type copy, my lord, page 63. Page
So many owners, Rafiqul Islam.
Yes, my lord.
And Nur Alam Pramani.
Yes. Then page 65, lordship will kindly see. Page 65, that is the vernacular. Kamrup
মেট্ৰ' জিলাৰ গুৱাহাটী ৰাজহ চক্ৰ এলেকাধীন জালুকবাৰী মৌজা অন্তৰ্গত পশ্চিম বৰা গাঁৱৰ 1702 নম্বৰ দাগৰ মুঠ 12 লেচা জমি বিক্ৰী হয়। So these are all government khasla. The fact that my lord, they are is to come to page 74. Page 74. This is the Aadhaar card of one of the petitioner, a permanent resident of Dhubri. At least these are not landless persons. Not landless person. Then page 77, electoral photo identity card. Their names are registered, my lord, at Mankasar, Dhubri. So not landless person. So as to get the benefit of clause 14 of the Assam land policy, if at all. In the first title of the writ petition, in the description of the writ petitioners also, we find, my lord, that most of them are from different places, my lord, other than Kamrup Metro. They are permanent residents. For example, my lord, petitioner number 3, 5, then my lord, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 16, 17. There are altogether 17 writ petitioners, my lord, in the present writ petition. Out of the 17 writ petitioners, 9 writ petitioners are permanent residents of places other than Kamrup Metro.
So admittedly, it is government house land. What kind of violation you have? 18(3).
No,
Notice,
Lord,
notice,
Lord,
hearing,
my-
representation, personal hearing, individual order. Now, individual order has to be examined vis-a-vis the right of the person for that particular photo. We are concerned with 1702. Admittedly, it is a government house.
Lord, that, my lord, is, regarding that conversion, my lord, is nothing on record, my lord.
Because none of the petitioners, because this firstly, government's assertion
My lord,
is presumed to be correct unless rebutted.
no, we have, my lord, we have said, my
Section
lord,
115A of the Evidence Act,
my lord, that is.
government business is
My-
presumed to be correct. But if you still say that it is government cost, not cost land,
My lord,
can you get it?
I'll get it, my lord.
This page, it is clear in page 96.
my lord, page 96
Page,
is clear,
page
but my lord,
97.
but
Page
my lord,
97, that order of the recommendation.
no, my lord,
So
no.
it has become cost land.
My lord, may I submit, my lord? A small submission, my lord, if my lord allows me, my lord. Page number, if we go by the impugned speaking order, my lord. In the speaking order, what they have done, my lord, our Aadhaar card, PAN card, and this, my lord, notice or the unregistered deed of possessory right of land, they have, my lord, treated as a possessory right. Now, my lord, how this possessory right cannot be considered for the purpose of extending us.
Mr.
Yeah,
Priya,
my lord.
you have to connect yourself first.
Exactly.
Right. This Himanshu, where from they have come? You have executed, if this is possible,
My lord.
say Himanshu Talukdar, right?
My lord.
Then Nur Alam Pramanik. You are connecting yourself to the land through them.
My lord. But their connection with the
And
land.
you have placed this as annexer, Rafiqul Islam.
My lord.
Who are they? Whether they have any right to possess the land?
My lord, prior to us, they were possessing, my lord. They have just.
No, where is that?
My lord.
It
No, my lord,
is not mentioned
regarding-
that it is, if it is really an actionia patta,
My lord.
land, he could have mentioned it.
In the sale deeds. my lord.
Yes, not sell it. This cannot be a sale deed in the eye of law. Don't make such submission.
My lord.
It cannot be because it says, law says, no transfer
My lord.
by sale. It cannot be sale deal at all.
Not just handing over possession. my
The
lord.
possession, your possessory right we are examining.
My lord.
But you have failed to connect. Where from this, by placing this before this court,
My lord.
you cannot say that you have
No, my lord,
you have got the possessory right from the right person. Let us assume for a
my lord.
moment that position can be changed.
Changed.
Let us assume for a moment. But if it is not renewed, government has the discretion
Yes.
to renew or not to renew annual patta. Now, 2015 has made it khas.
No, my lord, that khas order. My lord, my lord,
If you
my lord-
want to really praise that point,
My lord.
and what are the other points?
My lord, the other point is that in the speaking order, my lord, the mention regarding this is missing, my lord. So therefore.
Which one?
This regarding that NR case conversion, which we have made in our representation pursuant.
There
to
is
the-
only one, but otherwise they have said
Otherwise-
government khas
No,
land.
Otherwise, my lord,
Government khas land. After this list of
Conversion,
documents,
Lord.
they say land in question is government khas land.
my lord. Now,
And right from beginning of their notice, that is 18.3. Not 18.2. Right. Some bona fide claim is to be examined. Now, this is annual Khiras Patta of Kamrup district and unregistered deed of possessory right. Both are connected. First, you have to show annual Khiras Patta. That is Lakshman Das. And if it had got converted into government khas land,
my lord.
thereafter, possessory right, this unregistered deed of possessory right of land, to the normal understanding of this code, subject to correction, does not carry any value.
That possessory right, my lord.
If government khas land, then how Rule 5, 12, all these will come in. Nobody without written permission can enter into government khas land. And you are not showing even Toji Bahira also.
My lord, what is not there, my lord, we cannot, my lord, present a wrong assertion or a false case before my lord, because we
Right.
are in the court of law, my lord.
Right,
Now
we are
we-
trying to find out your link,
Link. My lord, the link is very clear, my lord. We have to link with the, my lord, seller, that is Himanshu Talukdar. We did not purchase it
No,
from
there are
Lakshman
more
Das.
sellers.
My lord,
Sir,
my lord.
it is not that Himanshu is the only owner.
Only others are also.
Rafiqul Islam is also the owner.
Others, my lord, he purchased from
And-
somebody else, my lord. That is the issue.
And-
No, my lord, lacunas are there, my lord. We are, my lord, that
The question of
My
lacuna
lord.
is not there.
my lord,
Lacuna is there that which can be filled up.
my lord. I can understand.
Gap is that which can be filled up. It is a case of gap which cannot be filled up.
But my lord, this application
Yes,
which
what
you
to
have
do?
made, my lord.
Yes, Mr.
Now, my lord,
We
yesterday,
have complied with everything, each and every, my lord, parameters laid down in law. What more we can do, my lord? They will have to,
my lord,
they may seek settlement in other lands, my lord. Have to establish a prima facie right, my lord. There is no prima facie right
my
here.
lord, regarding this Aadhaar card
Otherwise-
assertion, my lord, I have also inquired with the
This
petitioners.
will be an-
Earlier, they had the land, my lord. Now, those are not available physically, my lord. Those are submerged. That's why, my lord, they have migrated and settled here, my lord. A very small plot of land, my lord. 5 lessas, 7 lessas, 10 lessas, like that, my lord.
No, we are into the law only.
No, my lord.
If you have a claim, then it's okay.
My lord.
Get a note regarding the conversion person. Should notice at this stage. But get a note regarding conversion of this Actionia Patta 1702.
So we'll file an affidavit here, my
A
lord.
short affidavit.
Yes.
Because we have to issue notice since it's a matter of eviction.
Absolutely.
Please, at least for 15 days, let us have this status quo.
My lord.
Right? But
My lord, my lord.
we don't issue notice. Have the notice issues. And, since you have an urgency also, both have urgency, you will make it short. File a short affidavit.
Yes.
Regarding DAG number 1702. Mr. Bhuya, here
My-
only 1702.
My lord, my lord. I will not deviate from this.
Lordship may be pleased to make some observation
Yes.
in my lord's order so that we can incorporate it
Yes,
in our
yes.
affidavit.
Right.
I'm so grateful.
Heard Mr. A.R. Bhuya and a senior counsel. Because matter of land is concerned, they might be staying there, certain situation. They know, it is not that early warning is there,
That is true.
unlike
The
the recent
prudent,
flood in Assam.
it is something like the prudent citizen will never go and encroach. This will give them a leverage, my lord.
No, we'll decide the issue.
Yes. I may be penniless, my lord. I may not have land, but still I choose to remain, my lord, in rented house. So this is my lord, the prudent citizen will do instead of encroaching upon government land.
Mr. State Bank, Miss Losper and Council for the petition. Mr. R. Borpuzari, Land Standing Council. Okay. Mr. N. Goswami, Land Engineer Government, with Assam for response number 1, 3,
My lord, I
Four.
am only for two, my lord.
Ah.
My
1,
learned colleague will
Four.
be available.
5, 6, 7. And Mr. R. Borpuzari, Land Standing Council, Revenue and Disaster Management Department for response number 2. Full stop. Para. The See. Past. A plot of land, a parcel of land covered by Dag number 1702, situated at village Pasim Boragaon, Mauza, Jalukbari, Kamrup Metropolitan District. Postal. Why the order? Orders, 67 2026. Parcel of land covered by number 1702. And the petitioners submitted by the petitioners. Notices dated 4 to 2026. Are insufficient to establish that A were in continuous occupation of the said parcel of land since or prior to 28/6/2001 as required for settlement and reservation of land under the Assam Land Policy 2019. Clause 14 of the Assam. These 17 petitions have claimed that they executed agreements next sir. One series gets lost with the original landholder or with persons claiming to the original landholders. And it is stated that tag number 1702 is recorded under annual Matta number 39 in the name of one Sri Lokhan Chandra Das as the original annual patta holder. From the Actionia Jomabondi, annexed 2. It appears that tag number What is this? Bhuya or Borpujari? There are two figures.
My lord. Lordship is referring to page.
Is 70. Two areas. Oh. Okay. As three bighas, 4 kathas, and 11.28 lessas within it. The other one is hectare.
Yes, it is hectare, my lord.
Other one is hectare. Those. Para. After the notices were issued to the petitioners as notices under Rule 18 within bracket 3 of the settlement rules framed under the Assam Land and Revenue Regulation 1886. The petitioners had approached this court by two writ petitions, WPC number 818/2026 and WPC number 882/2026, which were disposed of by separate judgment and order, dated 13/2026 and 17/2026 respectively, with similar set of directions. The direction passed in the judgment and order dated 17/2026. Reference page 116, paragraph 9. After the said to judgment and order, the petitioners submitted their representations on 18/2026. Okay, this is the similar, or you have taken different time?
No, my lord, exactly, we have not annexed all, my lord. Few has been annexed.
After submission of the representation, the petitioners were called for hearing. Pieces issued on various, individually called for hearing by notices issued on different dates. Piece of the respondent number.
4 District Commissioner Jalupur.
4.
4.
So by the notices, the petitioners were asked to bring all the supporting documents in respect of their claim for possession stroke, allotment stroke, settlement of the plots of land under their occupation. Well, after recording, pursuant hearing to each of the petitioners, individual orders.
All dated 16/7. All dated 16/7, 2024. Passed by respondent.
Record one by one. NRC case and what?
NR case and full stop.
And N case, N case, NR case, and what else?
My lord, that the NR case assertion which we have made, that is not a part of the, my lord, this observation in the speaking order, my lord.
And erase these documents by virtue of these documents.
My-
Because let us have it point wise,
my-
right?
Yes, yes.
Mr. Mial and his senior counsel are paying for a petition. Originally, the parcel of land under tag number
my-
1702 was under annual fatta number
39.
39.
39.
In course of time, a number of persons executed agreements with the original annual patta holder, Lakshman Kumar Das,
Lakshman
Chandra Das, and came into possession of different lots of land under tag number 1702.
my lord.
Full stop. The petitioners came into possession of the plots of land, areas of which are areas are mentioned here. No. Minor notices.
Notices, my lord, areas are not mentioned.
It is there.
In the initial notice.
If lordship is pleased to see, my lord, from
Page,
page
page say 152.
152. But in the initial notices also
12.5 lesser.
12. Yes, my lord, in the letter notices it is there. my lord. The initial notices it was not
Are you
there.
not, you are not disputing this area?
No, my lord, area.
Areas of which were mentioned in the notices dated 26/5/2026.
26, my lord.
Annexer,
Annexure 1 is a part
which
of.
is
Series, my lord, yes, my lord, series 12,
12.
my lord.
Within bracket, annexer 12 series. Silo, right?
It-
No, notices dated 19/5.
My lord, this is a part of Annexure 11
Okay. In the notices, annexed as annexer
11
11 series.
My lord.
At some of the persons who came into possession of plots of land under tag number 1702. made an application before the response number 3 on 3/12/2013 for conversion of the parcel of land as land.
Lord, is that page number 9?
No, your representative says otherwise.
First land allotted the same in the name of the petition.
Page 130.
My lord. My lord, we are made an application at page 89 and 90, my lord. Some of the
89 and 90.
my lord. Page 90 is the prayer, my lord, under the above fact.
89.
My lord.
Okay.
That the petitioners.
Convert into us to government land and thereafter to allot the same in their favor. Also, a case is 92. NR case number 01/14-15 was registered. To the jurisdiction circle officer, who after making field verification and hearing the parties, more particularly the applicants, submitted a report to the respondent number 3 for necessary action. On receipt of the report, state report, number 3 had passed an order on 22/01/2015 in NR case number 01/14-15 to convert the parcel of land under tag number 1702 to from cross length and to the effect were issued by the respondent number 3 to the respondent number 6 on 3/3/2015. Where is that letter? Annexer?
My lord, 97, page 97.
Annexer?
Annexure is.
Annexure 6.
Put in back annexer 6. By the same letter, dated 3/3/2015, the respondent number 3. Forward. Order of recommendations in connection with owner case number 01/14-15, along with the connected document for correction of land records. Post. It is mentioned by the state respondents in the orders dated 67/2026. That the parcel of land under tag number 1702 there is no material placed during the hearing to substantiate that pursuant to NR case number 01/15, the parcel of land under tag number 1702 has been converted to government trust. If after any order, the parcel of land under 1702 was converted to government parcel from altering the obligation of the state as follows: to place the living accounts before asserting the parcel of land under 1702 is government trusted to make the provisions of Rule 18(3) of the settlement rules applicable. The second, what is the second?
Not in the speaking order, my lord. As from my understanding is concerned, my lord, the document.
Because we could have definitely examined all, if you place the unregistered deed of possessory right, these are individual rights
Whether
to
it
claim
can,
possession.
whether it can create any right or not. my lord,
Because
that-
individual 17 persons,
my-
they have said unregistered deed of possessory right of land. Second one is say pays 80,
my-
180. Unregistered. Secondly, the petitions for possession of different parcels of land. And tag number 1702, which was under which the concerned person is in possession. Therefore, petitions possession of lots of 1702 or to receive recognition or settlement of those properties. These two. If you want to more, then we can more.
Not today, my lord.
Because your right to
My
No,
lord.
absolutely.
property is to be adjudicated, right? But 1702,
One
No, my
second.
lord, my weaknesses.
the matter required consideration. Mr. Borpujari and Mr. Goswami have submitted that affidavit and a response will be filed traversing the aforesaid contentions advanced on behalf of the petitioners within a short period of time. Say, Felix? In a period of 3 weeks, as the matter required some examination, further examination, let notice be issued. Notice is made returnable on so and so.
26th August.
As agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, as Mr. Goswami has appeared accepted notice so and so, and Mr. Borpujari has appeared accepted. Para. As by the impugned notices. The response number 3 has directed the response number 6 to evict, stroke eject, to evict the petitioners from the lots of lands Consideration of the process. Minor. It's an order stated 16 this of justice. Response. While there. Counter treatment. What are you doing?
Okay.
Because I'm looking into it because there are many rag numbers. Number of read petitions are being prepared by Mr. Bhuya.
We both have.
So that the order I shall not repeat any time.
Excellent.
Minor.
Yes, okay.
Oh, yeah.
On the next item.
Supplementary list, item 22.
Yes.
My lord, this is also a matter relates to eviction, but particular to, my lord, chapter 10, that tribal belt of the South Kamrup tribal belt and block. My lord, what they have done, this is a petitioner, my lord, is a widow, my lord, having antecedents from 1923 to 28, that they are following, my lord, a principle therein, my lord, that those person who belongs to a, my lord, category having land in their name or in their forefathers' name, my lord, prior to
Basically, your claim is that prior to the declaration notification of
yes,
1950
1950.
tribal wealth,
My lord.
you were a landholder.
My father's and
claim
relatives, my lord.
your link to a landholder.
My link, my lord. That link. So, my lord,
Okay,
that
then where is the impugn?
eviction notice, my lord, may be pleased to find at page 30, 39. This is also the notice only, my lord, but the speaking order had not been furnished to us, my lord.
Understand to initiate the eviction notice. Mr. Borbudari, 165 1,
Yes,
liable to ejectment forthwith.
yes,
But anything, it has to be very case-to-case basis.
my lord.
That forthwith was also incorporated in Rule 18.2. Is it not?
18.2, but
That has been read down with a procedure.
to a procedure. So far as my lord 18.2 is concerned.
18.2.
But here we are concerned with chapter 10.
Chapter 10, still 18, let us have, because the mandate of different high court, the Supreme Court, in case of forest land also, or other lands also, reserve land, forest areas, nobody is permitted to get into the forest land. But Supreme Court has said at least individual hearing and individual case-to-case basis order.
Here also individual hearing had taken place. It is, my lord, apparent from the notice itself. Yes, page 39.
If you read this order, yesterday I had the occasion to read it.
Yes, my lord.
if you same kind of eviction notices,
My-
now I have learned more today in respect of the other three cases yesterday. Right. I have not read 165. Now I have read 165. Now here in this eviction notice, it is a general fact-finding inquiry.
General fact-finding inquiry, but their my lord, occupation itself is my lord illegal. It is illegal ab initio. But so far as my lord, coming into occupation of government land, that is not illegal, my lord, ab
Now,
initio.
this petitioner is claiming ownership
Yes,
through a landholder, right?
through a landholder.
Successor in interest, as a successor in interest of a landowner who owned land in tribal belt area prior to 1950. They have the right. If they are the settlement holder, they have the right to continue.
So they have the right to continue, but here the determining factor will be whether the person concerned, the evictee, whether he is a tribal or non-tribal.
No,
Because
no,
that is the
no, 165, 2.
Yeah. 165.
Right.
Yes, 165.
In case of unsettled land, any person who without authority has encroached upon or occupied, it shall be liable to ejectment forthwith.
Yes.
Unsettled land. Next is, in case of annually settled land, person other than settlement holders shall be liable to ejectment forthwith. Now, this petition is claiming to be a settlement holder.
Yes.
The settlement holder may not be alive. But if the petitioner is successor in interest of that settlement holder, then right continues. Now, 1923, 4, whatever they are saying, that requires to be examined.
Yes, yes, correct.
That is all.
That is the case.
Right?
My
Now, how you are claiming? Who are you?
lord, I am.
Let us see
my lord,
who is
I
this
am
petitioner.
Bhokturi Bibi, my lord.
Huh? Name of the
Bibi,
petitioner. Putkuri. Okay. Putkuri.
My lord, may I
Now, what
kindly
is the
turn
original document?
the 1923-28 document.
23, 28. Let us see the
Page
document.
number 31, my lord, may I kindly turn, my lord.
Page number 31.
My lord. It is
Who
in
is
the
Yusuf Sheikh?
Yusuf Sheikh, my lord.
You claim your linkage through
Linkage with
Yusuf Sheikh,
my lord.
who possessed land
My lord, in 1923.
320
My lord.
under which dag number?
My lord, Notun Nong 222, my lord.
Let us examine it with the notice
My lord.
so that the issue can be
My lord.
precise. Notice is at
Page number 39, my lord.
when is this page 45?
It is, this is a land, my lord, purchased. This is a
Who
land
purchased?
by my lord, petitioner's husband, my lord.
Hmm?
Petitioner's husband.
What is the relevant environment?
A relevant environment is at
Annexer 6.
my lord.
Annexer 6.
My lord. In that case,
Annexer 6.
para 13, page 13, my lord.
What is the case setup?
Not the case setup.
Let us see your case setup.
Madam,
It appears to be a bit edgy.
No, my lord, my.
Let us see your, this is village is Khelna Aliwadi,
No, Oliver.
right?
My lord.
Belongs to a family whose forefathers have been residing in the said locality continuously for a period 1923-28. Much prior to so and so. Notification so and so. Is the wife of late Yunusur
Rahman.
Yunusur Rahman. Hmm. Is the wife of late Yunusur Rahman. The said late, huh? Who was the son of Yusuf Sheikh.
My.
Being predecessor was one of the recorded fatah holders of the locality. What is your that documents dag number, patta number?
My lord, my dag number, patta number is.
In that 1923.
23, yes, my lord. It is in annexure 1 document, my lord. Is that page?
You have not mentioned in the body of the writ petition.
Paragraph, my lord.
Not in paragraph. Document that this is dag number, patta number.
Page number 31 is the record, my lord, which
But
we,
you have not said.
my lord, which we wanted to establish link with 1923-28, my lord. My,
Right. Which dag number?
my lord, dag number is.
Page 32, Lordship,
My lord.
see, my lord. Page 32, the vernacular.
Patta number 222.
222.
New.
Yes, new.
Dag number 122.
My lord.
That number 122.
In the year you say 2019-23.
23 and 28.
28.
Yusuf Sheikh.
Yusuf Sheikh. Okay,
Wow.
done. Now what is the present dag number and patta number?
Present dag number and patta number, my lord, they have mentioned in the notice.
Let us see notice
Page number 41, my lord, may kindly turn.
41.
My lord. We are relating to Bhukturi BB 53 and 552, my lord. Now, how and, my lord, where?
53.
One.
Your Baina is different.
Baina is different, my lord.
Huh?
Baina is for a nearby plot of land, my lord.
This is not the Baina is not the subject matter here.
No, my lord, the Baina, dag number, patta number is not the subject matter of the notice and eviction also, my lord.
And you want to say that this,
My lord.
see the different issues.
No, my lord, I cannot, my lord, even if my petition is not
So
be,
that
my
is
lord,
why
my lord,
let us be sure
my lord.
you want ownership, you want to link your ownership to dag number 122
My
and
lord.
patta number 222.
222. Now in the
And what is
notice,
the area of land, Mr. Borbujari?
nothing is
In that,
mentioned.
no,
in the
no, it is
notice
there.
also.
This sign is, I sometimes get confused. Page 32.
Page, yes, page.
Against a Yusuf Sheikh.
Page
What is that area? That sign.
Against Yusuf Sheikh.
One less I can understand. This one, 3 katha or what?
Three kotha 15 lesson.
Sure?
Yes, my lord, that
3 kotha,
downline.
1 lessa or what?
15.
Vernacular.
Vernacular, my lord, column number 5.
Yes, I'm looking at it.
Yes, column number 5.
This sign is what?
My lord,
Ulta 3.
the second one.
Oh, no, Yusuf Sheikh.
Yes,
Ulta 3.
Yes, this is my lord 3 kotha.
3 kotha.
3 kotha.
Next one is one is there. Ek.
Yes, 1.
Because Bhuya is not
lesser.
mentioning in his statement.
Yes, that is lesser.
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 So 3 kotha,
3 kotha.
1 lesser.
3 kotha, 1 lesser.
1 lesser.
3 kotha, 1 lesser. Now Lordship will kindly see, my lord, this document. My lord, column number 2. Column number 2 is the patta number 222. Then Lordship will kindly come to column number 3. There are 2 pattadas. One is Shanti Sheikh. Shanti Sheikh, Sita, my lord, it is something. Then Yusuf Sheikh. Then, my lord, column number 4, there are two ducks.
Hmm.
One is 46, one is 122.
Mr. Borbuje, it could be Patta Phala.
Now the note down below will assume significance. On the right hand side, Lordship will kindly see, my lord, the note. 3-5 so Sithar. Iman Tarikh 21/6/33. Tarikhor hukum mote miadi potta kora hoy. So it is in the year 33, but this is Sitha, on the basis of Sitha.
So Yusuf Sheikh, dag number 122, Patta number 222, 3 kotha 1 lesson.
Think of one less side appears from here.
Claims.
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 Right.
Yes. Now
And linkage
linkage
through that man, then through her husband.
through her husband, but the genealogy has not explicitly been demonstrated in the writ petition. Where is
That is
the
a problem. That is a problem for
Yes,
the court.
yes.
No, my lord,
He is the writ
Sir,
petitioner. He
everything
ought to-
is shown to the court
Hmm.
to decipher from the documents,
Yes,
not a clear statement on oath.
yes. At least the genealogy will have
No,
to
my
be
lord,
there,
the-
my lord.
You have to be clear on the statement
that-
on oath.
that is correct.
Court go by your statement on oath.
My lord, my lord.
That what is this Yusuf Sheikh's area of land under Patta.
Absolutely.
My lord, we have demonstrated in paragraph.
No, demonstrated where is paragraph 2 is vague.
There was a my lord, my predecessor in interest. He is the owner of so and so. Then
He said,
died.
he
My lord,
said, but what was the area of land of late Yusuf Sheikh?
but then my
That
lord,
is not clear.
that is also not clear. Number one, number two, my lord, there is no corroborating materials annexed to the writ petition.
Only that one.
Yes.
Let us have it, but still the area of land is required.
My lord, these are the
To
documents.
link this notice,
My lord.
if you have this land, right, by way of inheritance, then you have the right to continue,
My lord, my lord.
right?
Exactly, my lord. Otherwise.
And if you have entered into that baina,
My lord,
and on the basis of that you are claiming, then your right is gone.
my lord. No, my lord, if we have.
That is why,
My lord, linkage is there, my lord, then perhaps we can, my lord.
yes,
If we can.
you have
take-
made a statement.
My lord, in paragraph 13, my lord, at page.
Now in the Baida also the sellers are one C Ozid.
I have seen, I have seen.
Nila, my lord.
I have seen. And same her husband,
Yes.
Inusur Rahman. That is why
Yes.
he is make the picture is become
My
hazy.
My lord, what is,
Very
my lord,
confusing.
if my lord allows me, my lord, what has happened, my lord, we have the antecedents from 1923-28 by virtue of.
To that
antecedent-
extent, I am
My lord,
clear,
My-
except the area of land,
My-
we have to, the court has given the burden
my
to
lord,
look into the document
my lord.
and to decipher,
No, my lord, we have to
Which is
satisfy,
not-
my lord. We have to
which is
satisfy,
not-
my lord. No, my lord, we have to satisfy, my lord, if some
which is
lacunas
not
are there,
appreciated
my lord.
to confuse the court,
No, no, no. Lord,
which
that-
is not.
No, my lord, by that
Whatever-
way, I will not obtain any interim order, my lord. That is not my intention, my lord. But the fact is very clear, my lord.
Because
that-
it has to, facts have to be clearly
My lord.
pleaded, only
My
then they can respond. Now here it is a notice,
My
which is at page,
Page 13.
Nine, my lord.
The page 39 notice is clear, my lord. If I may read it, my lord. The notice order of DC.
no, eviction notice, these are all standard. I have seen already, Mr. Botagu, you are not there, or Botagu, you are not there. Along with this notice, Mr. Aforesaid was there. This annexer A is different in every case.
Yes, annexer, because annex.
This is standard.
Yes. Yes.
Thereafter, this authority has directed,
Yes.
district commissioner has directed the circle officer to initiate eviction process against non-protected class.
Yes.
Now, where is that order? 16/7/2026.
No, no, my lord. It has not been furnished.
No, Mr. No, I'm asking,
My-
Mr. Borbuje, please. Page 40,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
the district commissioner Kamrup
Yes.
and co-district commissioner Kamrup or Palapari, whatever, by orders dated 16/7/2026,
Yes.
directed the circle officer to initiate
Initiate. Yes.
eviction against non-protected class as per Rule 165(1) to 3, right, in respect of unsettled land and periodically settled land
Yes.
in a revenue village Khelna Alibari.
Yes, my lord.
So can you get the order?
Yes, definitely.
I think because that was as a whole fact-finding inquiry, something have been found against the petitioners. Now, this circle officer, in my understanding, he has simply annexed this one. He has typed out this eviction notice, annexed A differently, and started serving everybody. But it was a direction to initiate.
In the meantime, perhaps, my lord, the hearing has taken place. Therefore.
No, Mr. Borbuzari, it is basically from the text and tenor of this notice. It is found out that it is basically as a whole general fact-finding inquiry. Many persons are found in possession of areas of land in the tribal belt. So let us have an inquiry, found out who are the persons found in possession. Thereafter, if we get it, we'll be clear by the order of the district commission.
Therefore,
Because
my
Mr. Borbuzari, can you place it?
no, definitely we will have to file an affidavit because they are disputing on facts. We have to get the facts straight. Number one. Number two, at page 39, if Lordship is pleased to see page 39, my lord, the fourth paragraph. Last but second paragraph, whereas as directed, notices for hearing were duly issued by the co-district commissioner so and so dated 6/6. It was issued in the month of June, and this order is, my lord, in the month of my eviction notice is 16/7 after 1 month.
Mr. Borbuzari, you are trying to defend it, but everything has to be individual orders like the previous case.
Absolutely. So we'll have
Right.
to file an affidavit.
So that is why, can you
Yes,
get
yes,
these two orders?
No, we'll file a comprehensive affidavit, my lord, responding to each and every statement made in the writ petition, as well as the documents annexed thereto. Because this.
Why I am saying, if it is found, this eviction notice is found not as per the procedure, then all these writ petitions can be decided immediately. Thereafter, individual case-to-case basis notice is to be served.
Yes.
That is why
No,
comprehensive affidavit will take, there will be more cases. Yesterday, 3 cases. Now, today, how many cases? Another 2.
Another 2.
That is why I say that get the order dated 16/7 of this district commissioner and
Then Lordship may be pleased to fix this matter, my lord, next Wednesday, my lord. In the meantime, I will get the order. Lordship may not be pleased to issue notice of motion. Keep it in the motion stage. Let me get the orders. Keep it. Yes, yes. Yes, yes.
there shall not be any further action.
Till
Motion stage only, till the next date.
Absolutely, absolutely.
If we find that that district commissioner has directed to initiate the process of eviction, then this man has directly
Yes.
got into shortcut mode, Tatkal mode.
Yes.
It may be a case.
In fact, by next Wednesday, I will try to get the complete information with regard. We will
Yes.
serve a copy of the writ petition. I will be seeking a copy by today
Sure,
itself, my lord.
Right now,
Yes.
Right, that will be better.
Yes.
Both the orders.
As much as information that is available, my lord, including those orders.
It is not a standalone case.
Absolutely. Because there are cases, my lord, I am not placing those, my lord, decisions of this honorable court, my lord.
No, we are not into it.
Yes,
now,
yes,
right
even
now.
right now, yes, yes, yes.
We are not going into that.
Yes.
We are only going into the case-to-case basis on individual
Fact-
hearing or not.
On facts, my lord, we will clear everything. my
Facts
lord.
will be individually.
Yes.
Heard Mr. A.R.
Yes.
Senior counsel is stated by Mr. N.J. Choril and counsel for the petitioner. So, N. Borbuzari, Lawrence Council Revenue and Disaster Management Department for the respondent number 1.
Respondent
And
one.
Mr. A. Angusami, Learned Junior Government Advocate, Assam, for the respondent number 226. A petition has been served with an eviction notice dated 16/7/2026 by the respondent number
My lord, by the office.
4.
Oh,
Goes to. Uh, the operating parts of the notice taken 16/7/2026 read as under page 40. Para. Mr. Borpujay, Standing Council Revenue Department, has submitted that he will produce the order number so and so dated 16/7/2026 of the District Commissioner Kamrup, and letter number so and so has of the Co-District Commissioner by on next Wednesday.
Yes, next Wednesday, I can get it, my lord.
Okay, next Thursday.
Thursday, yes.
Next
difficulty.
Thursday. And has sought listing of the case
Please.
on Thursday. List the case accordingly on Thursday.
11. Can it be on my lord, Friday, my lord? Because on 6th, my lord, we have some urgent matters coming up. My lord, subject to my lord's convenience, my lord. Can it be on Friday or 10th, Monday, my lord? 10th is Monday.
Okay, we'll put it on, we'll examine the issue. 11th. 10th.
My lord, then can it be on
10,
13th, my lord?
10,
13th.
10, 8.
10 is, I'm grateful, my lord.
Till then, till the next date of listing, there shall not be any consequential action in terms of the eviction notice dated 16/7/2026 against the petition.
deeply obliged.
Same in the other one.
Other one.
Linkage, huh?
Other two, my lord, link is
23.
Are these the same?
no, my lord. Parties same, petitioners are different, my lord. He,
And what is this? Let us have this. We will not elaborate on the facts.
my lord.
Yes, yes.
Let us have this order of the district commission.
Yes,
My lord.
yes, ma'am.
Same.
Same order.
Where is that impugn order?
My lord is the eviction
Page
notice.
41.
Page
That's same thing quote kori dibo.
41.
Same thing quote kori dibo, huh?
Here it is page 41, my lord.
Same then.
Same order.
All are on same date.
My lord.
Same interim.
Obliged. Same.
22, 23, 24.
My lord. Deeply obliged.
I'm so obliged.
Daily list for admission. Items 2 to 10.
Yes.
I am appearing in seal number 10.
My lord, before the staff, my lord, I beg to mention item number 4 to 8.
Item number
4 to 8, my lord.
4 to 8.
4 to 8. Because I only came yesterday evening from Rajasthan. Thus I could not prepare these cases. Let these cases be taken up on Monday. On Monday.
4 to 8. You are Mr. Your good name
Nishit
is?
Gandhi. Nishit Gandhi.
Item number?
Seal number 10, my lord. Mr. Afidas.
Within 9. Readings are complete. Yes, what do you say now? Major cases are of Mr. Bhatti. 1, 2, 3, 4.
My lords, in item 2 and 3, I appeal for the petitioner. My lords, in these matters, we are awaiting instructions because we are contemplating to challenge the law. My lords, I'm requesting a short accommodation in these matters. A short date may be given. By then, we'll have complete instruction whether we want to challenge the law or not. A short accommodation, my lords.
Because
Item 2
these
and 3.
batches do not belong to that, except one where
In 4, item number 4.
4.
Item
These are otherwise not bound by that.
Supreme Court judge.
It looks like.
It's like, but in
And
none-
whatever is there, that on that day, Mr. Goenka has withdrawn his petition to
Yes.
challenge it.
only one thing, my lord, none of them are still now challenging 147A.
We'll decide whatever is there. We're not here in the advisory role.
They have not challenged it.
That is their discussion. Your good name, please.
Saksham Pandey, my lords.
Yes, Pandey. Yes, now what is the your instruction? You are awaiting instruction.
Indeed, my lords, indeed. I'm requesting a short accommodation only, my lords. We are
Okay.
contemplating whether we want to challenge the
Mr.
law or not.
Bhatti is not totally prepared. Then we are left with Mr. Saha and Mr. Gandhi.
My lord. Lord, in my matter, if my lord permits me, so primarily the interim relief was granted to me on a very small issue, that a reassessment proceeding initiated by a jurisdictional assessing officer was completed by the very same jurisdictional assessing officer, and which in my submission is not within his jurisdiction. Now, in the
No,
reply,
you want to get it separated. If it is not within a batch, that is a different issue.
there's a small difficulty in that. One of the grounds that I have raised is in respect of the retrospective application of 147A. Because when they issued the notice in 2025, this section was not there on the statute book. Now, after the orders passed, the act has been amended so as to include a retrospective 147A in the act. And therefore, my lords, it can be separated subject to your lordship's concurrence on that. Otherwise,
Yes,
my
Mr.
lords,
Bhatti, when can you appear next? Mr. Bhatti?
Yes, my lord.
When?
On Tuesday, my lord. Next Tuesday.
No, we have other businesses also.
Or as may be convenient for this honorable court, my lord.
South Pune. Other cases lined up on specific dates.
27th.
27th.
27th August.
27 can be,
That's all.
right? Because other cases are fixed on other
my
dates.
lords,
Yes, that will be sufficient for you to complete your instruction, Mr. Pandey.
Indeed, my lords. 27th August. Indeed, my lords. Obliged.
my lords, serial number 10 also on the 27th.
10 also.
My lords, just a small prayer. My lords, since I am traveling from Bombay, may I request a virtual appearance on the next date of hearing?
It is permissible if you put
My
in
lords, I
a,
generally
Mr.
prefer
Das will
appearing
put in a
physically.
request. Mr. Das will put in a request.
Yes.
Yes.
So, my lords, one small
Grateful, my
submission.
lords, grateful. Obliged.
Hello? Oh.
Okay, give the names, Mr. Das. Write down all the names. Gandhi, RJ Das, and this is S. Pandey, who is the local council with Mr. Pandey. So write down the names in all the cases. Mr. Bhatti. Then council is paying for the petitioners in 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Has sought for listing of the listing of his cases, listing of the cases on another date, his cases. Post op. A similar request is made by Mr. Pandey, Learned Counsel, for the petitioners in 2 and 3 to complete his instructions in the meantime. It's made by Mr. Maki and Mr. Pandey is not proposed by the land council. This leaves the cases on 27/8/2026. Orders, whatever passed earlier, shall continue till the next date of listing. Just write down the name, Mr. Das. You coordinate.
Oblige, my lords. Oblige. Grateful.
Respondent side also.
Yes. Much obliged.
You are from Bombay.
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Pandey is from where?
My lords, I am from Rajasthan.
Okay. Thank you.
Great.
Oblige, my lords. Oblige.
Item 11.
Maybe. My lord, here, my lord, in the petitioner is challenging the, my lord, notice, my lord. Page 27, my lord. I am in possession of a 7 bigha 2 kotha 8 lisa of land under annual.
Page
27, my lord. Issued by Additional Secretary Revenue Officer Dima Hassan.
What is LP?
Not Patwari, my lord, inserts. That notice is, my lord, contrary to the, my lord, record of rights, my lord, and is a perverse, my lord. I am in possession of 7 bigha, my lord. As per Patta, your lordship will find page 24. I have annexed all the Pattas, the latest one, page 24. Page 24 is the area of land, my lord. Paddy land. 7 bigha.
Tag number, pata number?
Dag number page 24A, my lord. Dag number 14. Paddy land, 7 bigha 2 katha 8 lesa. And it is well.
In an appeal notice, where is the mention of Tag?
That is not mentioned, my lord. And by virtue of this notice, my lord, they want to evict me from that land.
Yes.
They mention in Notun Haza, part 1 village.
Let us see firstly, this is village what? This Patta, annual Patta?
It's mentioned as Notun Haza 2, my lord.
Notun Haza 2.
Yes.
Dag number 14.
Yes.
It is annual Khiras Patta number 4.
Right.
7 bigha 2 katha 8 lesa.
Yes.
Correct?
My lord.
Now this notice is pertaining to what village? Notun Haza part 1.
Part 1. But your lordship, that person, my lord, which they are mentioning, my lord, Sozen, is under the possession of the notice. It is mentioned that possession less Sozen 1000. He is.
Look,
neighbor.
firstly, fundamentally,
Yes.
if your Patta pertains to Notun Haza part 2,
Yes.
and this notice is Notun Haza part 1.
Part 1.
My lord, we have taken this stand, my lord, in our affidavit, stating that these are two different villages, my lord, different dark numbers. In paragraph 7, page 37, my lord.
So you claim your right according to annual Patta, or you are claiming some other right also?
No. As per annual Patta, I am doing cultivation there, my lord. I have also marked my photographs, page 31, my lord. Well defined boundary, my lord.
In another case, I have found, Mr. Borua, after lots of big this thing, use brief in Karbi Anglong, land acquisition. He is claiming over a particular land. It's found out that that 4 acres of land is somewhere else. Somewhere else.
But here,
Right.
I have my claim about this patta land, but they mention that Sozen is also my neighbor, my lord. How can he, my lord, in a different village, my lord? That is
Now,
the-
where is the stand, Ms. Chakraborty?
My lord, page 37, paragraph 7. We have stated that as per the report of the Lord Patwari in charge, Langking Jamabandi records, which has been found that the land belonging to Sri Niren Thousand falls under Dag number 14 of Nutan Haza 2, and land belonging to Sri Sozen Thousand falls under Dag number 20 of Nutan Haza 1, which are two different villages.
That is not correct.
Two separate beings. Notun Haza part 1 and Notun Haza part 2. Now, Niren Thousand.
Niren Thousand
And Sozen Thousand.
Sozen Thousand died in the year 2005. Now, after his death also, they are showing a new patta in 2025, a dead man in their affidavit, my lord. And we have no dispute with the Sozen Thousand. Our all settlements regarding these are boundary and everything has been maintained for last 19 years. We have stated in para 3.
Undertaken any demarcation process to find out petitioner's land and Niren Thousand's land?
Now we have not, my lord.
Nothing.
On the basis of the available records only we have.
Right, he has not applied his fine. He has simply gone by the
Records.
record of some Lat Patwari or Lat Mondol.
My lord.
He should have gone to the for field visit. He is claiming possession over a plot of land on the strength of an annual patta pertaining to different village,
My lord.
part 2.
My lord.
And this man is saying that other one basis is another patta, annual patta, under different dag number in a different village. This is not
Cannot be a coincidence that way.
conciliable. This is for a person who is the authority, land authority, he should have applied his mind before issuing this notice at page 27. Now, did you respond?
I also filed my representation. In my reply also, I have, my lord, stated that they have not contradicted our paragraph number 8, 9, and 11 of our writ petition. They are totally silent, my lord.
I am pleased to inform that is under my and my committee members are doing various good, but I am surprised on my visit with my son. This copy of this custom 3 years of when you should have notice. Additional secretary. So he is the highest authority.
My
Huh?
lord.
Now, where's calling this affidavit? This is secretary. Very short affidavit. So after his reply and after these assertions made in this writ petition, some confusion is there. So better to have a better notice, if at all there is cause of action. Because both are in separate villages. And before issuing such notice, there should be a demarcation of the lands under both the pattas. In Karbi Anglong, anything,
Yes.
Dimahasal,
Dimahasal.
anything may happen
Anything.
in land, with respect to land. He has his land here, but he is claiming there. It may happen. So, better to have a demarcation process before issuing a notice, and notice should have a detailed particulars. This should go vague. Vague.
Let this writ petition be pending. We can take up another survey or demarcation if your lordship allows us to. Within a stipulated time, so.
Because he has said as per Lat Patwari
Manu. This is on the basis of the available
and
records.
official Jamabandi records. 3 because 5 kathas is only under your possession. At surveyed Notun Haja village. Right. From Jamabandi records, you cannot determine possession.
Yes.
Right.
I
You
request-
can, from Jamabandi record,
You cannot.
where from? He is saying 7 bighas. If we go by the Jamabandi record, then he is in possession of 7 bighas. And where is that Lat Patwari record?
That is not an next matter. So.
Sure, one.
So one. Let us see.
Affidavit, page 39 and 40, my lord.
This is 2,000 for annual Chiras Patta.
My lord, Sozen died in 2007, my lord. Kindly see, my lord, this patta was issued in a death man in
Oh,
2000.
where have you made the statement?
I have made, my lord.
Sozen died?
Yes, my lord, paragraph 3, my lord. And they also made, my lord, in paragraph 6.
Is it?
Yes, my lord. That is the thing that they want to grab my land, my lord. Paragraph 6 also they stated that.
Their affidavit?
Yes, my lord. When he, paragraph 6, page 37.
Paragraph 6, page 37. Lot Patwari.
In the year 2005.
Niren Thousand.
In 2005, Sojan died.
As per report of Lord Patwari, in charge Langting, late Sojan Thousand had sold 3 bighas, 5 kathas of land to Niren Thousand when he was alive in the year so-and-so, but no transfer of land done officially in favor of Niren Thousand.
No, Sozen Thousand died in the year 2007, as per their own statement in.
No, your affidavit says, okay, in the year, okay. Died 2000?
7, as per their statement in the, in the writ petition.
And we say there is no dispute with Sojan Thousand. Sojan Thousand is not in picture only.
Mr. Borua,
Yes.
I just want to know. This is the only parcel of land you are in possession, or You are in possession of either area of land also.
I am in possession so far this notice on this land. Because they visited in this land.
There is a statement, Sojian has sold you
That is, my lord.
3 bighas, 5 kathas, right? But transfer could not be done officially.
That is, my lord, their statement, my lord, not
No,
the
no,
Sojian.
in that case, the situation, because two different villages.
Yes.
You are saying that you are in possession of 7 bighas of land
7 bighas
in village part 2.
Notun Haza part 2. As per dear patta, my lord, it was mentioned.
What is this other one? You have affidavit in reply, what you have brought?
I have stated, my lord, paragraph number 5 and 6.
What is the next Jomabandi?
Yes, that Jomabandi, my lord, I was allowed to have a supervision of that Jomabandi, and I was allowed to extract that copy, and I found, my lord, that this entry Niren 1000 is maintained, my lord, in my name, 7 bigha 2 katha it is. This is very consistent, my lord, which they have suppressed till now, my lord. And I asked for a certified copy, my application annex, they did not provide the certified copy also.
Is Jomabandi based on
Sita, my lord, I think.
If that man died, how can you issue a patta in
My lord,
2025? If that man died, because you also said when he was alive,
Yes.
how can you issue a patta, annual patta, in the name of a dead person? On the basis of that, the notice has been issued. That cannot be. You cannot say that a dead man is having possession of land.
This was issued in 2025.
That patta is clear from your affidavit, 2025. So how can you, on the basis of a dead person, say that rest of land is under possession of late? This notice is of 2024. See page 27. Things are not falling into places. Page 27 notice is of 2024. And you are saying Notun Haza part 1. But you had issued the patta at page 39 on 3/2/2025. For the year 2024-25.
Yes.
And yes, that is the date. 3/2/2025.
Yes, ma'am.
Prior to that, whether Susan had land or not, that is also not clear from your affidavit. Something is not looking good. If Susan does not have any land prior to 2025, he could not have sold. So there are so many missing links. But primary reason is that from the records, where is annexure 1?
Page 39.
This property, you have filed the affidavit.
Yes.
You said it is Jomabandi, but it cannot be Jomabandi.
It was filed.
It is patta.
My lord, it's annual patta.
You have not taken due care.
It was filed by one of my colleague, madam, earlier.
Okay. You have to take the responsibility.
Good, my lord.
So this cannot be Jomabandi on the face of it. And it has been issued.
In 2025.
We will set aside this. But still you have a right to issue a fresh notice. Right. We'll come back at 2.
Of station.
Oh yes, so in the morning they had made a prayer, but because they said that they tried to contact, but could not contact.
Yes, sir.
So I say that let it be called. I did not grant the adjournment.
But I told him that I'm prepared. So Lordship, kindly give a
Yes,
short
that is the
date.
ground that Mr. PC Dev was
Yes.
is out of station.
I'm praying
Oh,
for
who
a
was the lady?
short
Who
date.
made the prayer?
That I don't know. I have the phone number. I'll inform her. Madam.
Okay. A prayer is made on behalf of the petitioners. The ground that
Respondents, madam. Yeah, the respondents.
or respondent. Number 7 to 11.
Madam.
On the ground that Mr. PC Day. On the ground that Mr. PC Day. For the state respondents is out of station and any leave note to that effect has also been filed. Mr. S.K. Talakar, Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Mr. J. Henry Learned, standing outside Revenue Department. Miss, oh, you're for the state. Okay, Miss S. Hajorika. Huh? G. Hajorika. Learned, standing outside Revenue Department, and Mr. J. Henry Learned, Junior Government Advocate for the state respondents are present. Full stop. In view of the request made, along with the leave note, the request for adjournment is allowed. When do you want?
A short date, Lordship will give any date.
No short date
Lordship
in
convenient.
file. Lays the case on. I will find. Issued under the hand of the respondent, the additional secretary. And revenue officer from Adima South Autonomous Council, Aplong. By the notice dated 28/2/2024 on the subject, quote unquote, vacation of land. The petitioner has been directed to vacate 7 years, 2 peppers, 8 inches. Equity. Yes. Equity. Art. The revenue circle, no. Circle. Uh, so, issued. Yes, what, 35. Bangkok. Eight. Yes, what, the petitioner is only in policy. Subject for in support of such. Just by the Circumstance Council. But in paragraph 3, you have said that 1,000 has land in the
Yes.
backyard.
2007, actually. 2007. In boldly, I marked.
No. Paragraph 3,
Yes.
you said that there is a plot of land belonging to 1,000.
Yes, Lordship. He has a plot of land in the backyard. That is Notun Hazard. They are saying 1. We say it is 2. He died in the year 2007. And we have no dispute with him. There is a settled position for last 19 years. Now they, without survey and demarcation of my land, they have issued this notice. That is our case.
Pin number three. Two. Without without determining now situation in that stolen thousand a day. The subject was not belonging to the with the demarcation of the boundaries of the subject on all four sides. On all four sides. No occasion else. No occasion for the respondent of we should is to the petition for vacating any area of land. Wow. To speak of any area of land as the petitioner is in possession of the actual area of land as mentioned in Iras Akta number 4. Is the party contention of petition. The subsequent falls within the survey area of Mutun Hajar, part 2 village. Oh, Lanting Model. Inner notice. Alrighty. Yeah. Here. For them, so the it is asserted that the notice appears to be a miniature one as on the page of the notice. Comma, Soden 1000 had no land, well, Hiras Patta issued in his favor and the stent, and such fact is evident from the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 3. Close stop. Para. In the affidavit opposition filed by the respondent number 3. As per the report of North Authority in charge, Lanking, late had sold 3 bighas and sold a parcel of land, then 3 bighas and 5 acres to the petitioner at a time when Susan Townsend was alive. In the year 2005, when Susan Townsend was alive, but no transfer of was effected officially in favor of the petitioner. So, it is further averred that the subject of belonging to the petitioner falls under dark number 14 of village Notun Hazar, part 2, and the plot of land belonging to Soden houses falls under dark number 20 of Notun Hazar, part 1. Number 3. A stand is taken by the responsible tree. It affects that. The notice was served to a petitioner to vacate the encroached land to vacate an encroached area of land measuring 2 bighas and 18 kathas. Step 3 bighas and 5 kathas. Located in village Notun Hazar Park. With the affidavit of opposition, and Elmil Kiras Patra number 222 issued in favor of 14,000 for an area of land for area of land under DAG number 1,000,000 sorry. From the same pattern number 22. It appears that the said annual Kiras pattern number 22 was issued in favor of Sozen Thousand on 3/2/2025. Post of. It is an admitted stand of both the petition and the respondent number 3 that Susan Thousand died it is the stand of the petitioner that Susan Thousand, where have you stated? In that thing, page 5. Right. In the year 2007. Well, the statement made in paragraph 6 of the epidemic opposition response number 3. It can be noticed that the Susan Thousand had entered into an agreement with the petition for an area in the 2005. When another time Susan's Thousand was alive. Meaning there, in other words, comma. One of it is noticeably. The notice to vacate the notice to vacate was issued on 28/2/2024. Whereas the annual Khiras Patra number 22 was issued in favor of the petitioner. 12,000 only on 3/2/2025. As is evident from Annexure 1 to the affidavit in opposition of the respondent number 3. Full stop. It hasn't been clarified that whether prior to 3/2/2025, 7,000 who the petitioner uh, 2007 was holding any lot of land under any annual serious factor or any permissible document. Stop. It is the petitioner was the subject of located in survey village Notun has a part 2. Commander respondent number 3. The parcel of land belonging to 7,000 is said to have located in surveyed village Notun has a part 1. The respondent number 3. Where we go. Identifying the boundaries of the two plots of land belonging to the petition and 7,000 within brackets since diseased prior to issuance of the notice dated 28/2/2024. When the petition Setting aside and considering on notice dated T8. Then not. It's in line. It's but it is fatal. How can you start eviction process?
If there
It is chosen. Let him do it.
My lord, this order shall not be considered as declaration of his title over the land. My lord, the authorities will,
You have no authority. If the chosen is the owner,
my lord, but since
you have no authority. From the contents of the notice itself, it is evident that the response number 3 has directed the petitioner to vacate an area of land which response number 3 himself has claimed to have belonged to Chosen Thousand, late Chosen Thousand. Chosen Thousand.
Chosen Thousand.
So if the alleged enclosed area of land belongs to a private person, is a private property, comma, the private property bestowed upon him by way of an annual Fidas partner, then the process of eviction with the authority and the authority and jurisdiction to vacate such area, private area of land by the authorities in the Dima South Autonomous Council, instead of view of the landowner, is itself questionable. It is questionable. I don't know the land system of.
my lord,
It is very complicated. So questionable. I have put it in that. Itu line upor. Yes, it is however clarified that the observation made herein above are made only for the purpose of examining the legality and sustainability of the notice dated 27 to 2024.
28.
Huh?
28.
Okay, 28 to 2024. Issued under the hand of the respondent number 3. And the observation made above are not shall not be construed as observations regarding the right over any alleged PROCEED law. However, otherwise, counsel comes up. That it is allowed to the extent in which it's allowed to know what else.
Item 15.
How many students? 14 students. We please,
Pursuant to this honorable court's direction, Lordship, a joint inspection was carried out, Lordship, and then a proposal was submitted by the Karbi Anglong, Lordship. In that proposal, Lordship, certain discrepancies were there, which the APGCL, I appear on behalf of the APGCL, Lordship. We sought for those clarifications. Those clarifications, the instructions have been handed over to us today, Lordship. So
what is the issue about?
Lordship,
What
land
kind of-
compensation, Lordship.
Huh? Land compensation.
Land compensation. Lordship.
APDCL.
APGCL, Lordship,
APGCL.
with respect to construction of Mintrian
Line or what?
Lordship, hydroelectric project, Lordship.
Oh, hydroelectric.
Lordship.
GCL.
APGCL, Lord, power generation.
Just a minute.
Lord.
So the petitions are entitled for compensation from the respondent Assam Power Generation Corporation Limited. This is the issue.
Lordship.
So again, repeat.
Lordship, then
What happened in the meantime?
Lordship, certain joint verifications were conducted, Lordship. 2 joint verifications were conducted. And then, Lordship, this honorable court by order dated 24/7/2025.
24/7,
2025. Lordship.
25.
We had asked the Karbi Anglong to find the value of 1 katha, Lordship, at the time of handing over of the project, Lordship, which was prevailing at that point, Lordship.
Okay.
And then certain instruction that proposal was submitted to us. To the AP.
Period that we wanted to receive instruction matter in terms of deliberation. Yes. To require another communicate to the available to land. In a period of matter proximate to the time that land. That this, what is joint verification?
Lordship, joint verifications were already conducted, Lordship. But then Karbi Anglong, by its letter dated, Lordship, they submitted the proposal to us, Lordship, to the APGCL.
Regarding a rate.
Regarding the rate and all those informations were given to us. But then, Lordship, by our letter dated to the Joint Secretary 29/1/2026, Lordship, we sought for certain clarifications, which were these discrepancies were there in both the joint verifications, Lordship, regarding the Zirat rate and, Lordship, the land area of the petitioners, Lordship, which were not matching. So after that, Lordship, now they have given us certain instructions today, Lordship. My senior, Mr. Dinar, has got those information.
Miss P. Burman. I heard Miss P. Burman, Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Revenue. Revenue. 1. Mr. J. Das.
Lordship, Mr. H.R. Das.
H.R. Das.
On behalf of Mr. Dinar.
Miss Kemprai, you are for 2. Miss S. Kemprai, Land Standing Council, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, for the respondent number 2 and 4. Mr. J. Hendik, Land Junior Government Advocate Assam, for the respondent number 3. And Mr. H.R. Das, Land Council, on behalf of Mr. D. Nath, Land Standing Council. A. DCCL. For the respondent number 5 to 8. Mr. Das has submitted that. The issue involved in present petition is whether the petitioners are entitled to receive compensation from the respondent APGCL as the petition must stating that they are aggrieved by non-payment of compensation by the respondent APGCL in respect of their lands, which are being occupied by APGCL. It is submitted by Mr. Das, appearing on behalf of the respondent. Subsequent to the order dated 24/7/2025. Joint verifications were conducted twice, and thereafter there were exchange of correspondence between the APGCL and
verifications, Lordship, these were conducted prior to the order passed by 24/7, Lordship.
Okay.
Then.
Okay. Submitted 24/7/2025, there has been exchange of communications between the APGCL, between the authorities in the APGCL and the KAAC. Full stop. In response to APGCL to provide clarifications on certain issues. The AAC has recently issued communication as by the adverse clarification. When yesterday, to us, it has been November last week. So, Mr. Das has sought or sort of accommodation. That's okay. What September? Look at your mind.